Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and running quick diagnostics so you don't chase ghosts. Open power options and note the active plan. This determines sleep behavior. Next, access settings system power and sleep and temporarily set sleep to never so tests run uninterrupted. If available, reboot into BIOS to confirm wake timers and AC power settings. This prevents firmware from overriding Windows. Once done, make sure device drivers are accessible for updates before proceeding to deeper fixes. You now tackle the common culprits: drivers and conflicting power options. Update chipset, graphics, and network drivers because outdated drivers often block proper wake or cause premature standby. Run elevated PowerCug requests to spot system requests that prevent sleep, then PowerCug Energy to generate a 60-second report you can read. After reviewing, open advanced power settings and disable USB selective suspend and hybrid sleep if problematic. Once changed, reboot so driver and power plan adjustments take full effect and test standby again. You finish by validating the repair and adding safeguards. Put the PC to sleep from the start menu and wake it using the intended device. If it wakes reliably, you're done. If it fails, open Event Viewer and Filter System logs around the attempted sleep time to identify device or driver errors, then roll back the offending driver or uninstall recent updates. Make sure to create a system restore point or backup now, because that gives you a fast recovery path if future power changes break standby again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.